So today a customer has come to our store. He wanted to upgrade his PC. He is a Valorant player. He has a Ryzen 5 3600 and 1660 Super. He's not very happy with the frame rates that he's getting currently. So what we suggested him Ryzen 7 5700X 3D and GPU we suggested him this 4060. Now let's see how it becomes after the upgrade. 3500 we have. We are taking it out. Close my eyes, I can see it all inside my mind. Grinding for my dreams. This is the 1660. Nobody wants it more. I'm kicking down the door. I'll never give. After the upgrade, we upgraded the CPU GPU both. Now this is the FPS he's getting. It is almost double. So we captured that. Now he's getting an average of 400. Okay guys, that's it with the upgrade.